Hello! It's me, Mystery Man. I'm back, and I have something kind of cool to show you. It's a Fibonacci sequencer, yes. And it's not as big as you think. This is all there is to it. And you can stack it as far as you want without losing any delay. And the clock speed of this Fibonacci sequencer is 6 redstone ticks or 12 game ticks. Alright, so if you look inside the chat here, I've put I put data here that represents the sequence. So it's gonna be 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. And we're gonna just look at these 4 bits right here. So just pause the video and kind of just like pause it each time the lights turn on, and then you can just check if the sequence is correct. And I know it's correct because I tested it. This is the enable wire. If it's on like this, you will not be able to activate the sequence. But if it's on, then there you go. And you'll find that it overflows really fast. That's only for 8 bits. And then you can disable it just by turning the enable off. There you go. And that's essentially how it works. And now, since I've essentially introduced it to you, let's go ahead and build it. So if we just back off here, we'll just back off, and we're gonna just build it right over here. I should have a set block here, maybe. Yes, I do. Good old acacia. So, the principle behind the Fibonacci sequence counter is an adder, really. So what we need to do is we need to build 2 half adders connected by the generate line. You don't need to know what that means, so I'll just show you how you want to do this. So go ahead and just build this right here. We're going to kind of black box it today. So go ahead and just put pistons here, and there's your inputs. Please forgive me for the lag spikes. There's not much I could do about that. Our creative world's getting pretty big. It's a lot of redstone. Alright, yeah, so you're just going to do that. This is our AND gate right here. And then we got our OR gates at the top. And just put the redstone torch and make sure the front is shaped like an X. And just go ahead and plop your redstone in. And put your piston on the side. And now we're good to go for the next gate. Before we put the next gate in, though, I highly suggest you put your generate wire here. Just like this. You can use a composter with a comparator to make this part even less laggy. But since I'm lazy, we're just going to go with this instant NOT gate design right there. Nice and simple. Okay, so what are we going to do for the next part? Well, it's quite simple. We're just going to go and build this and basically build the exact same thing. I love how easy this is. We can just build this all day. Except I don't want to do that or else I'll bore you. So we're not going to do that. Yeah. Let's go ahead and just get that AND gate built. And our OR gates are blocks for that part. And then just connecting all those precious pieces together. And, well, now we'll have our second half adder completed here in a second. And voila, second half adder. Very simple, very easy. And now we're going to add some updaters to speed up the system. Go ahead and put observer blocks on top here, and these are actually necessary for this specific design. So go ahead and put those on top of those, and that just syncs up these 2 pistons so that they move at the same time. Now that we've done that, we actually need to put our generate wire right there. Go ahead and just put a redstone block there. Put your iron block or whatever you like. I'm using iron because it's stereotypically the thing that most people use when they do redstone. That was not my reasoning for using it. I just like the texture. Cool. let's go ahead and just get the thing in place. We're gonna need a note block exactly right there. Go ahead and break that and set this up at the generate wire. I apologize if I'm going a little bit fast, but yeah. Now what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a glass or glowstone block, if that still works, and you're just gonna make a little pattern like this, and that will be the carry line. And yeah, put an iron block under there. And as a matter of fact, guess what? We're already good to go for the tiling when it just comes to adding. So yeah, you could add with this now. But we're gonna make this only for the Fibonacci sequence. So we're gonna go ahead and extend our wire for the accumulation. So we're just gonna go ahead and build it across like that. Go ahead and replace that with a slab or glass, and simply just throw a wire on top like so. Now that we've done that, we need to prepare our redstone torches. Go ahead and put your redstone torches right here and there. Bang, bang. You've got your A and B. Count with me. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, so now just extend this out a bit, and we're going to go ahead and do something quite cool. Get 4 repeaters and put them on the second tick. And that'll take care of that, as a matter of fact. And now we could just put 2 repeaters with 1 on the second tick, and you're just going to go ahead and wire it across. And, well, wouldn't you know it, this is all there is to that. Now, this is slightly different from how I did it on my design, but we could just make sure that redstone will make it. Now, I'm actually going to go ahead and tweak it a little bit, just a little bit, alright? Because we can make this thing a little bit nicer. I need a repeater there. That's why I wanted to tweak it. There we go. Now that's looking excellent. That is exactly what we want. So make sure that this observer block has nothing powering this. Yeah, you get it. I hope you do. You'll understand once your design works. But that's it. We've built the accumulator. Now we actually could test it. Let's go ahead and just pop a block in the side, get the observer, and test it. So there's 1 and 2. And now it's doing stuff. So, believe it or not, it would just accumulate forever. It wouldn't stop. So yeah. Cheers. Yeah. But yeah, this should power at the same time. If I get a piston here, you'll see what I mean. There we go. 1. Yep, see it does. The A, B, so just like A, B, both. And that's exactly the pattern I've shown you. Somewhere. Yeah, but that's what I've shown you. To disable the circuitry now, what we need to do is we just power that usually. Usually you just want to power that. So actually, I want you to go ahead and get your redstone line built like this, and this will be our disable wire. Okay? But yeah, the Fibonacci sequence works for our 1 bit, so now we can shut it off just by doing that. Alright! Now that you know how to build the cell, I'm going to show you how to copy paste it. I will not show you how to do it with the structure block. I just hope that you know how to use the structure block. Otherwise, use World Edit. I recommend it. You'll need it a lot. I've used a lot of World Edit. Yeah, so go ahead and just take it out. And you see where this line is right here? Just go ahead and put it there. Get out your wand. Make sure it's precisely right here. Like, just align it and align it with that, and you'll be good to go. Alright? Alright. Go ahead and just mark it here and mark it there, and we're good to go. I'm going to copy paste this 63 times. But before we do that, I think it'd be a good idea to get our light bulb on here somewhere so we could see it do its magic. Where shall we put it? I'm wondering. Let me think. I think this is a good spot for it. Yeah. Well, but it's not accurate. This is where the deciding gets hard, because I want to put the lamp. I'll put it there. That's good. Alright, stack her as many times as you want. And 63. Oh. Yeah, what a beast. How far does this go? It's gonna go pretty far. Yeah, that's pretty far. Wow. 63. Can you believe building a 64-bit computer, though? Honestly. I just thought this would be something fun to look at. Now, to avoid huge amounts of lag, we're actually going to put a roof above this thing to stop skylight updates. And we're also going to use some lights above the lamps to, cause less light updates. So let's go ahead and get some sea lanterns here. Wow, this thing's going to be massive. It's actually going to be like, wow. It's just going to be wild, guys. That's all I can say. I can't wait to see this. This is really pushing it now. I've never actually built a Fibbonacci sequencer this big before. So if things go south, you know who to blame. Just me. Just me. There's gonna be one more thing we'll do before we unleash the madness here. Let's just stack it like, not even 200, maybe 300. It's a pretty long device, so I don't know. I don't know if we'll make it. It'll all load within the chunks though if I just... Yeah, okay, maybe I overestimated that, but it's pretty big regardless. Yeah. Isn't it kind of funny how you can have something this ridiculously long and still pretty, it's just great. It's great. I hope we don't hit the update cap, actually. That's what I'm most scared of. Also, I want to put the redstone repeaters in before we start anything, because if this thing just goes nuts, there will be no stopping it. This would be the only way to stop it. Yeah, so let's just get those repeaters in place. I'm just going to do it. I could do it the slow way. I'm actually going to go ahead and do it the fast way real quick. Yeah, let's just get those in. And I'll just stack it, 20, 30 times? That's good enough. Probably didn't have to go that far. If I break maybe one redstone line, it'll pop the rest off if we've over-predicted. No, it worked. Cool. I don't know if I got it just right or not, but there we go. So now we could turn this off if anything bad happens to our frame rate. Man, oh man, I'm actually kind of scared now. We built something ridiculous. I honestly hope you guys are ready for this madness, because I know I am. Oh. If my friend's server crashes, that's gonna be so sad. Here it goes. Yep, it's going. Let's just watch it in all of its glory, guys. Oh man. How far out are we gonna have to go? Oh, I can zoom in, thank goodness. Slash. There we go. That's better. Can you even see the lights? No, you can't. I would have to get really close. How far have we got? Oh, it's done. No, it can't be. I can't even load the whole thing in. Oh, it's actually almost done. Oh my goodness, this thing is fast. And it's done. Yep, it overflowed. You know what I'm most surprised about? I've unoptimized all the redstone lanes here and it's still running well. Oh my goodness. Well, I hope that satisfies you. the fact that my poor little computer can handle all of this lag. Man. Alright, she'll stop now. Wow. That is insane. This is just insane. Thankfully, as long as all the chunks are loaded, this thing will run A-okay. That's all I could say. But yeah, it's just pumping like mad. Yeah. If you're wondering why sometimes the lights stay on for a long time, it's only because I'm not updating the redstone lamps immediately. Oh no. Uh-oh. This is bad. Did I crash the server? Oh no. Oh, whoa. No, I didn't. It's just lagging very horrendously. Okay, so, you know what, guys? If you're just gonna build something like this, I highly suggest maybe just 32 or 16-bit. Alright? 64 is maybe just too long. We can try loading in this. Oh yeah, this is a lot of chunks. Look at this. You know, since I've actually upped the chunks a bit, maybe we can register or see the whole thing. I'm having too much fun, as you could probably tell. This is just ridiculous. Let's go and start it up again. I don't know, Fibbonacci sequence, guys. We're taking it up a notch. Nope, that was not meant to be. Yeah, no, I can't register the lamps close enough. That's unfortunate. We're kind of stuck at this pitiful cap of seeing everything, and I'm very sorry for that. So, you know what we're probably gonna do? I think I'm gonna go and design that one-tick BCD converter so that we can actually see the numbers appear right here instead of having to watch binary. Alright, so anyways, if you enjoyed this filler video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more. And what you're going to be seeing next is actually this big cube in the back that you've probably been noticing, maybe not. Alright, man, this project right here is one of my pride and joys. I'm just going to let you know about what it is before I end the video. This is instant RAM, instant write, instant read, and the decoders are instant. You actually have to sync up the timings for the decoder to work with the input. So yeah, this whole RAM cell right here is actually just redstone dust. The only thing using redstone dust is the decoder lines, so it's really efficient. Yeah, we'll talk about that another time. Anyways, see you guys later.